Uncover radiant skin with Hot Haven's Ionic Copper Body Brush. Our body brush boosts blood circulation, aids digestion, and restores balance. It also improves lymphatic drainage, combats cellulite, and water retention for healthier skin. Make sure your copper body brush is dry before starting, and then before you brush, gently tap on the lymph node in the area you want to focus on. This opens up the lymph nodes and prepares it to flow. It's great to do before your shower or sauna session, and incorporating this brush really opens your detox pathways. So you're always going to want to begin with your legs, followed by your arms. When you're doing your legs, begin your feet and move upwards towards the heart using long, smooth strokes. This aligns with the natural direction of your lymphatic system. And then for your arms, when you're brushing them, do it from the hands towards the armpit. Employ firm, small upward strokes. And then for the stomach and armpits, you're going to want to brush in a circular clockwise motion in these areas, and then take a shower afterwards and make sure to moisturize so that you can keep your skin hydrated and wash away this dead skin.